here's where we are. We've got this Athearn Blue Box Baldwin S12, one of these guys, and this guy's got his cab off because he's going to be our first experimental calf unit. Similar to, if you guys want to look it up, go ahead and look for Oliver Mining Company. They had Baldwin S8s, which had calf and cows. All right, what we're going to do is we want to make this just a little more modern. Not by much, but enough where had Oliver Mining not failed, what if they had gone in the future? And there are still a couple railroads out there that have Baldwins running. So what we're doing on this one is something entirely new. So here is the Rev 1. There's our Rev 1 motor. And what we're going to do in this one is we're going to attempt to do this without the Rev 1 and use the M50. Now the M50 is a 24 volt motor that is, its performance is excellent. There's only one problem, and the reason why you've never seen it before, it's because the shaft, these shafts here, and here, are 0.5 millimeter, which means there are no couplings to them that can make them work even in a Z scale or even whatever the smaller scale is than that. The M50 can't be used anywhere because even our own silicone hose is too big. So what I did was I put on there some brass rod, as you can see right there. Actually, it's zooming even farther. Okay, here's some. Oh man. Okay, can we keep it? All right, come on, stabilize. There we go. Okay, there is some 5/64 brass rod, which I use the lathe to bore a hole in the end, which I didn't have a boring bit that would actually do exactly the right size. So I got one that's slightly bigger, and then I used contact cement, and not just any. I used our usual stuff. This DAP contact cement. That's what I used, and I gave it the full 24 hours and everything. So I don't know if they're going to hold. If they do, that's awesome. But if they don't, well, we'll find another way. Now, some of you are going to say, why didn't you solder them on? Well, I could, but as you can see here, the end is all plastic. And I've already had enough difficulty just getting it wired up without melting the end of it. So it's on there. We've tested it. This is a 24 volt motor, and what we have here is a Baldwin, an Athearn Blue Box Baldwin S12 in DC mode, and we're going to test them on this track right now. All right, so here's the thing. Being a 24 volt motor, that means he's going to go on DC, he'll go half as slow, right? So if our nominal is 12 volts, that means his top end, if it is 24 volts, that'd be his top speed. And here we have him. And our old trusty Tech 2 down here is going to show him at about 14 volts. Let's see what we got. Did we get it? There's 50% power. That's 50%. Now we're still at 40. So he's going to have a very high starting voltage. Now, wait a minute. Did I not? Oh, I did. Okay. Let's bring him back. So he does make it. If we got him. Oh, there he goes. Wait, why did he do that? That's not supposed to be. You're not supposed to do that. Okay, so the switch over here is not set the right way. I'm going to set the number like 5, the number 5 to 4. And we're going to see if we can do this. Right, can we do this? Nope, not yet, but we can. Let's try him. He's quiet, isn't he? Okay, so he's over here. Let's try him to see if he's going to make a number. This is like a number 5. This is definitely number 4. Even though they're hand lead. Actually, they're probably 5 to 5. I don't know. Whatever they are, they're a short radius. So let's try it. See if he can make it. The one thing I can't believe is how quiet he is. That's pretty dang good. I mean, he's really quiet. He's so quiet. All right, there he is. We're going to go with that. Now, I've already tested him, and the amps he draws is 0.018, which is really, really good. I mean, he actually draws less than the Rev 1 motor by just a little bit. He doesn't have quite the max torque that a Rev 1 has. He definitely doesn't have what the 280 has. But right now, we're on the right track. And so this should be one of 3 of these guys that we're going to make. So far, so good. Looking good. As long as that contact cement holds on those brass, they're like collars. If they hold on that, we're going to be good.